Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third question. What they are asking here is, we need to find what is the ratio which we're going to divide it of joining of two points, that is minus 3 and 10 and 6 comma minus 8 by point B, that is minus 1 comma 6. Then what ratio it is going to divide, we have to calculate it. That is, they are asking that the ratio of m1 and m2, the ratio of m1 and m2. Let's going to take, this is the point m1 and this is m2. So m1 and m2, that is the pointing that any one point which is divided line segment of joining another 2 points. What is the point of this? Is let's going to take p of x comma y. What is the point? We know that p of x comma y, the point which is dividing point, that is m1. If it is a m1 came means what is the, as I told, x2, then m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So these are the points. This is the coordinates. Let's going to take this point is p of x comma y. P of x comma y here is equal to p of minus 1 comma 6. Why? Because this point only dividing point of line joining. So what is x1 and x2? So a of x comma x1 y1 is equals to a of minus 3 comma 10. Next b of x2 y2, that will be equal to b of 6 comma minus 8. So these are the coordinates. x1 y1 we know and x2 y2 we know now. Next one. So let's going to take p of x. You can compare minus 1, 6 or either in the manner. Let's going to substitute all the values here only. So first one, p of x comma y, that is p of minus 1 comma 6 will be equal to, what is this point? m1 we don't know. m1 keep it as it is. x2 is what? Into 6 plus x2 is 6, m1 into 6, and m2 is what? We don't know, right? m2. And what is that? x1, let's going to take minus 3 whole divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. Then what is another one? m2, m1 y2, right? So minus 8 plus of m2 y1 is what? 10 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So that is the point. So 6 m1 plus into minus minus 3 m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2 comma minus 8 m1 plus of 10 m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So these are the points, and here minus 1 comma 6. Let's going to compare x coordinate. So this is totally x comma y coordinate. X quadrant, let's going to take compare x and y's. So compare x and y's, equal x and y coordinates, x and y coordinates. So what is here x? So x is nothing but 6 m1 minus 3 m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2 will be equal to minus 1. Then what is that? Minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, that will be equal to 6. By using of any one thing, you can get answer by using of any one thing. Let's going to take 6 m1, first one. 6 m1 minus 3 m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, that will be equal to minus 1. Let's going to simplify this value. Then 6 m1 minus 3 m2 will be equal to minus 1 into m1 plus m2, that will be equal to 6 m1 minus 3 m2 will be equal to minus m1 minus m2. So shift all this to the left side. What value we will get, going to check. 6 m1 plus m1 minus 3 m2 plus m2 will be equal to 0. Then what is this values here? Let's going to take 6 m1 plus m1, 7 m1 minus, what is this? 7 m1 minus, what is this value? Minus 2m2. 2m2. Why? Because here minus 2y, here we will get it as minus 2. So let's going to take 7m1 equal to 2m2. We will get answer like this. m1 by m2 will be equal to 2 by 7. So what is the ratio? m1 is to m2 will be equal to 2 is to 7. So this is the value. This is the ratio for the calculation here. So m1 is to m2 is what? m1 is equals to 2 and here 2, here 7. Here 2 and 7. Let's going to solve in another way. That is minus 8m1 plus 10m2 whole divided by m1 plus m2 will be equal to 6. So by using this also we can calculate. Let's going to calculate. Minus 8m1 plus 10m2 will be equal to 6 into m1 plus m2. So minus 8m1 plus 10m2 will be equal to 6m1 plus 6m2. This is the value. Shift all this to the left side. Minus 8m1 plus 10m2 minus 6m1 minus 6m2. That will be equal to 0. So minus 8m1 minus 6m1. So minus 8 minus 6. It will be minus 14. So minus 14m1 plus 10 and 6. 10 plus 10 minus 6. It will be plus 4. 4m2 will be equal to 0. Then what is this? Let's going to shift all this to the right side. So 4m2 whole divided by equal to 14m1. 14m1. So here m1 by m2. Let's shift all these ones and left side. So what is this value here? m1 by m2 will be equal to 4 by 14. 4 by 14. 2 2s are 2 7s are. So m1 by m2 will be equal to 2 by 7. Then m1 is to m2 will be equal to 2 is to 7. So what value we got? Same as it is. So if you compare, you can calculate by using of x and y, whatever it is. You can calculate by using of only x coordinate or y coordinate, whatever it is, x point or y point. We will get the same answer, 2 is to 7. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and try to share with your friends and family.